Institute of Technology BAUN right here.
For our mechanical engineers, our heavy workshop provides a huge workspace dedicated to sheet metals and machinery. And right next to it, we have our electrical engineering class and lab space ready for the next big circuit design.
College life isn't just about academics. In the heart of extracurricular activities, here lies the Institute Student Activity Council (ISEC).
ISEC is divided into 5 major societies: the Literary Society, the Cultural Society, the Sports Society, and the Community Service and Sustainable Development Goal Society.
We have a technical society which is an absolute game changer, especially for our computer science students looking to sharpen their skills.
Under these 5 main societies, we have 15 active clubs. Whether you want to join programming club, battle it out in competitive programming club, or burn off your energy in indoor or outdoor sports club. In hunger strikes, after all that coding, dancing or debating, our college canteen has you hot momos, crispy burgers and spicy chow mein to classic Maggi and flavorful kebab rolls. It's a perfect spot to relax, grab a bite and hang out with friends.
And if you think our campus is beautiful during the day, you should see it when the winter arrives. Every single year, we are treated to beautiful snowfall that transforms the entire institution into a stunning winter wonderland. Walking down these snow-covered pathways at night with the fresh snow blanketing the trees and buildings, it is a magical, peaceful experience that you only get when you study right here in the majestic Himalayan mountains. One of the best part about studying here is our connection to the beautiful town of Uttarkashi. Just near our college is the vibrant Uttarkashi market, where you can find absolutely everything you need for your daily college life.
Uttarkashi is also a deeply spiritual place known as the home of Lord Shankar. After a long day of classes and labs, you can find peace by attending the beautiful evening aarti at the Kashi Vishwanath temple. It is a truly magical experience that keeps us grounded.